I found the fastest platform to trade meme coins. You guys know Axiom, Padre, GMGM, and the rest of them. Well, I bet you this platform is way faster than them when trading meme coins, and their transaction fees are cheaper. Well, what I'm going to do in this video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how you can start trading meme coins on this platform. I'm going to show you each of the features they have and how you can start using them to make money for yourself. If you like content like this, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. So the first step is to go to the website Alph.ai. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Do what to use that to sign up right away. Once you come here, this is the interface. Now you need to sign up first of all, which is very important. So click on connect. So connect with either your Phantom wallet, Google, or Telegram. For me, I prefer Google. Click on it, and it's going to sign up for you right away. And now you can get started trading meme coins using AlphAI. The next thing you can do is to fund your accounts. To do that, you come to this section right here and you click on it, and you can see deposit. So click on deposit, and this is your wallet address right here. You can scan it and send Solana to it. For me, you can see I already have about 6 Solana right here. So immediately I come to this section, you can see it is available on Solana. Now what you can notice is you can trade meme coins on Solana using AlphAI, and there are other options like BSC, Base, XLayer, ETH, Plasma, which some of the platforms you actually know that provide these services do not have some of these blockchains. Most of them just have Solana and BNB and maybe Base, but this is offering you much more than that. Now over to this section, you're going to see we have the new creation, which looks like the regular platforms you use for trading, right? We have almost graduated, and then we have graduated. Now this section here, the recently created meme coins. You can see the moment they get created, they start from like 4K market cap. So you can see them, they start graduating till they get to certain market cap, and they migrate to almost graduated. And after almost graduated, then you have graduated, and that is for meme coins that have hit the bonding curve. So I guess most of you understand these things already if you've been trading meme coins using trading terminals. Now you can do a lot more filters from here by clicking on this option right here. What this does is shows if the dev is still holding or the dev has sold his token. All right, and then there's percentage for here for some of the things you want to put. Market cap, depending on the market cap, you're looking at holders and KOL calls. So for KOL calls, it's like when your regular influencers on Twitter talk about a particular meme coin, so you want to put the figure to it if you actually want. And over this side, you can see snipers hold, like the percentage they're holding within this, how many percentage to how many percentage inside. So most times I usually don't set all of this, so we're just going to leave it like this for now, and then go to the social medias and make sure we have minimum 1 socials. Now what this simply means is they must have either a website, Twitter, or Telegram. Some persons would like all of them, but not all of them are going to have every one of this option. So maybe we can just add Twitter. Yeah, I think Twitter is fine. Then we'll click on apply. Now this is going to help us filter the meme coins right here. Now personally, I do not buy a lot of meme coins here, and that is because it is very, very risky. But let's check out this one. So I'm probably going to set this chart at 1 second, and that's so that I will be able to see what is happening. You can see the dev has sold already. So if you had bought, you'll have lost money on this one. Let's go back. All right, so one other thing I also want you to note is from this section here, you can see how many holders. So these are 6 holders. This is like top 10 percentage. So what is the top 10 holding? They're holding 19%. Dev ratio, dev is holding about 7% of supply. There's no sniper hold for this one, and smart money hold, no $0 for smart money. Insider are holding 0, and this is for bundlers. It's also holding 0. So you do not have to even open up the chart properly before you see some of these rules, before you see some of this information. But let's check this one out again. It has actually rolled. The dev has sold. You can see right here it has sold. So this is super risky. All right, so over to this section here, almost graduated. This is where I play around with most times, with the hair and this section, and that is because they are less risky compared to this one. And even here they can still go to 0, but it's way better than this area. Most times I focus on meme coins even way higher than 500k market cap just for stability. So this right here has 56 holders, and then top 10 are holding 20%, which is not bad. But the dev has actually sold. If you can look at it right here, dev has sold. Sniper is not holding, and all of these things are 0. So let me just check this out. Okay, so I can increase this to like 30 seconds or even 1 minute to be able to see the charts quite better. So it's sitting at 49k right now, which is almost like, oh, this is the all-time high. All right, we can check out their Twitter right away. So I can click on latest, and you can see they just posted. You can see this guy posted the vamped the OG. So I guess this is the original one, but they just created this one 1 hour ago, and this is currently sitting at 555k market cap. So so you need to understand some of these controversies when buying some of these meme coins. Okay, so let's go back. I've not been able to find anyone I want to ape, but I'm just going to buy a little of this one, and the aim is to just sell off as fast as possible. So I'm just going to do 0.5 Solana. I just bought it right now, and I can choose to share my PNL so you can see the progress I've made so far. So let's see what happens. In case it goes to zero, I just know I've actually lost this money on this particular meme coin. But while we watch that, let's go over to this section, and you can find graduated. You can also do your filter over to this section, select socials and all of those stuffs. And if you are not okay with it, I personally do not like to buy these meme coins at these high prices when they've pumped like this, but I'm just showing you that it is as fast as possible to buy. So I'm just going to click on 700%. We can see how fast this actually executes the transaction. I think this is the fastest I've ever seen so far. Wow. All right, so let's look at other things, because not just this section is not just the only thing on AlphAI that is interesting. Let's go over to trending, and over here you're going to see meme index. I think this is very, very good. It's showing neutral at the moment, and this gives you a lot more details about different launch pads and coins. And right here you have newest trending coins. So Solo, I think this was these guys conducted an ICO or IDO, whatever you guys are going to call it. This was a coin yesterday that got listed yesterday, that got created yesterday, and you can see a list of trending coins right here. Next, let's look at signals. So the signal section is very, very important, because you can see some of these coins have done some good numbers: 3x, 7x, 4x, 19x, and the rest of that. So let's go to, if you click on this today's gem, now this shows you the gold section, where you see coins that have done based on their x's, and then this, you see the silver section and the bronze section. Okay, so the gold section is just one coin here, which has done over 19x. The silver section, as you can see, between 8x to about 9x, and then the bronze section is from 2x to 3x or thereabout. So what you can do is you can start the screen sometimes, and then just probably do subscribe to signals. So what you just do to subscribe, just click on this, toggle on this thing, and you will see some of the signal pop up. Right now there's a signal which came out 12:03, and this is 1:13, so that's about 1 hour ago. But this coin right here is showing it has done less than 1x, so there's still opportunity for you. And if you want to check it out, just click on this section right here where you can see the coin. It opens up in a fresh tab, and you can basically do your research from here. It's at 19k right now, so you do your research from, and if it's good, you just come here and then do a quick buy. So let's do like 0.05, and then we've bought it. And if you want to sell, just click on 100%. So let's look out for the fees too, which is important. If I click on this right here, you can see how much. Okay, let me refresh this, so you can see how much you are spending on fees. So over here you can see the fee is $0.002, and then priority fee is 0.001, which is very, very cheap compared to other players. But what I don't understand is how they're able to achieve faster transaction with cheaper fees. So that is basically it for signals. And looking at their fees, there are a lot more coins here under the signal section. So look at them, look at the time for when it got posted. You can see the time here and the alert time and all of that, and that can help you make your decision. Let's go over to the next section, which is the trade section. So trade section is simply the section where you place your regular trades. I'm up 2% already. Okay, good. Let's go over to the next one, which is X stocks. And X stocks is just about these stocks over here, Tesla and the rest of that. You can actually buy them using this platform. And the next one here is Smart Wallet. So what this does is it gives you popular wallets, smart wallet of some persons you know, like I know Jijo, I know Yuris, I know some of these guys. So some of them are good to copy, some are not good to copy. So but what we can do is, if you're good with anyone based on what you found out from your analysis, like this one is up 3% in the past 24 hours. This is 60-something% in 7 days. This one probably guess is down, but it's not showing any PNL. Win rate is 78% in 7 days and the rest of that. So we can actually filter this by having the highest win rate. So Centered is up 39%. Be careful when copying Centered, because sometimes it just dumps and you might end up not making profits from it based on you are copy trading him. But we can also filter with 7 days PNL and look out for we can see. So this guy here is up plus 2.5x. So you can just look out for different things here. There are other options here. Pump, Smart Money, KOLs. So KOLs is most of those Twitter influencers. Early snipers. So these guys, long-term investors. So I really don't know what metrics they look at for long-term investors, AI expert, and the rest of that. Now, anyone that is actually good for you, let's go back to all section, and let's say we want to copy this guy here. Just click on copy, and you can set the buy amount you want per coin. So that's going to be in Solana. So if you visit 0.5 or 0.4 or thereabouts, choose the one you want. So there's an option for fixed buy amount and max buy amount. I don't want to buy with more than max buy amount. So for this, I like to put it at fixed buy amount. So for any coin he buys, I'm just going to buy 0.5 Solana worth of the coin. And you can also choose to set your auto sell or not sells. So this is going to sell based on whenever this wallet is actually selling. And if it's cool with you, you can see the slippage, priority fee, and until if you want to turn it on, you can then click on confirm. And right now you're copying him. If you don't want to copy the person anymore, you can just go here. And so one thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on it, and over here it still gives you more options. So you can see the recent PNL and the coins he bought and the profit I'm holding and the rest of that. And if you don't want to copy him again, you can just click on it and click on stop. So right now I'm no longer copying this wallet anymore. You can see it now. The option now is back for you to copy. So let's go to tracker. Okay, so what tracker does, it helps you track wallets. So I'm just going to click on followed, and right here you can import addresses for yourself. And let's say you want to import or let's say you want to add an address, so you just click on it, you paste the person's address, the name, and if you want an emoji, you put it and then click on confirm. So whenever the wallet buys the coin, it shows up instantly, and you can choose to also buy. That's in case it's actually very, very good for you. All right, the final thing I want to show you is the reward section. So for the reward section, you can see that they are giving out 40% for every person you invite. You get 40% of their fees, 3.5% for the next level, 3%, 2%, 1%, just like that. They also have cashback, which is around 49.5% cashback, which is the fastest. You can see right here, I've not invited any person, but I have a cashback just because I've been using the platform. So this is basically some of the fees I've spent, so they are letting me take part of it, which is around 49% or thereabout. So that is it for the cashback and the fee structure. That is basically all of it on how to use AlphAI. If you don't have an account, please hit the link in the description to create an account right away. It is very, very important. And finally, back to our coin, we are still sitting at -0.08%, so it's probably still at our entry point. So if I'm not cool with it again, I can just click on sell, and it has sold it for me right away. So this is all of it about this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.